Inamit na yun siyang doggy. Ang pait nila sa isa't isa. In Fairview. Okay. Now, we're going back to where our car is and maybe go a bit dun sa may hill na nakita sa Samo. So, let's see what's in there. What's up there? What's up there? And now we are walking again. Then, dito kami ngayon sa dito sa inakit namin tong stairs na to papunta sa somewhere. We're still in the same area. Just exploring this part now. Samo. Iniwan namin si Raishi sa car kasi mataas na ito. Mamaya maglalakad ulit siya, magpapagod ulit siya. So, kami na lang muna pati maglalakad. Here's some biglang sinabi, there's nothing special. This tea. Kumu. Yung ano yun eh, yung up. Courtyard Kumu Art Museum. Courtyard something. What's in there? Nothing special. Just a wide space. Okay. There's nothing much.
It's warm here, sunshiny.
Yeah, it's
Let's go back to
getting hot.
There's
But
the other
it's
place to
good.
see.
I still have other place to see. Stop. Move on agad sa next destination. And then maybe after museum, we can walk the
We can
beach
just get
or the cage. Okay.
We can also walk beach tomorrow if we don't have them to ride.
Or maybe we can walk tomorrow before we leave.
It's okay. It's the same place.
Mm.
Very good.
Okay. Sige na nga lang. Super convenient talaga nitong kamerang to. And we are here. So, natin mo ng kotse. Yan. So, nandito kami sa parang Maarjämae. May ano dyan, museum. National History Museum. And ang katapat niya is yung beach. So this is a castle. There's a castle here, a film museum, and stables. That's what it says. This is the castle. We are standing in front of it. Yung palace, museum, and stables are open from Wednesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then yung park is open daily, 9 to 19. It's closed. Can't enter there. Maybe there's some other entry. Sino yan? Kaninong asawa yan? Nagawa mo dyan. You're too far. Okay. We are back in the old town. Kasi, drop off namin si Raishi dun sa hotel. Kasi, Diyos ko, pagod na ang aso. Grabe. Pag alis namin, tulog na siya ng mahimbing. As in, hindi na na-feel na lumabas na kami ng room. As in, ang lalim na ng tulog niya. Pagod na pagod yun. So now, yeah, may isang place na gustong puntahan si Samo dito sa Old Town na hindi pa namin napupuntahan kasi napakalak talaga itong Old Town. Ang daming pwedeng puntahan dito as in kulang yung isang araw. So yeah, now we're exploring more of it. Okay. And we are here. Yeah, just found this place on the way. What is this? Some church. So church yan. Church. It's a Roman Catholic church actually. So may mga pausok dun sa loob. Hindi na ako nag-video dun sa loob. May insenso. Insenso. Basta yun, alam nyo na yun. Yung parang sa mga yung pinapausok sa mga basta may, kasi Easter Sunday so may something. Hindi ko na inosisa. May picture. May picture. Yan. So, basta tayo ng church. Basta tayo ng gate na itong church. Shoo! Ganyan, gagay. May pa, natin kung may effect akong wala lang, nahilo lang kayo. Wala namang pa-effect yan. Huh? Yeah, I think we haven't been in this part of, we haven't really walked around this part. Sawa ko nagre-reklamo na bagal ko daw maglakad. Bakit ba? Maiksi yung pa ako eh. I mean yung legs, hindi yung paa. Oh well, maiksi rin yung paa pero basta gets nyo na yun. This building is nice. Look at that. It says there KGB prison cells. Ito pala 7 to 8. It's open. History trip. At the back is the St. Olaf Church and yan siya. Sarado siya. Hindi naman namin siya mapasok kaya titignan na lang namin from afar, from the outside. And yan. Gutom na kami. It's wala na oras na. Magpo-4 na ata or 4 na ata. And hindi po kami nagla-lunch. Heavy naman kasi lagi yung breakfast. So, carry bells lang kaya. Pero ayun, ngayon na. Gutom na kami. Uy. This area is nice. I mean, every area here is nice naman. For a lack of a better adjective, nice na lang talaga yung masasabi ko. Daming tao. Ay, sorry. Makakabunggo pa. Sa Samo. Lotus. Saan yun? Ah, ito pala. Lotus Museum.
Church looks good here. So far.
Ay, oo nga, mas kita yung church dito.
This church looks good here.
Yeah. Yun siya. Oh. Ganda. So, I don't know if napansin niyo, wala na akong hikaw. Kasi, nawawala yung isa. So, tinanggal ko na lang din yung isa. Kasi kanina ko lang napansin nung nagpa-picture ako kasama dun sa isang place kanina. Tapos, sabi ko, pagkapa ako sa hikaw ko, wala na yung isa. So, tinanggal ko na lang din yung isa. Pero pwede naman pwede ko naman siyang suotin. Uso naman yun ngayon, yung isang hikaw lang ganun. Dangling naman siya. So, another museum. Estonian Health Museum. Dito. Ay, kabayo. Yeah. But, I guess we're done with museums. So, we are at another church. No, it's not a church. It's a museum. Want to go? Lumabas lang din ulit kami. Hindi naman masyadong. It's not in. We don't find it that interesting, I guess. So, yeah, and may bayad mahal, 15 euros. Tapos parang naman masyadong makikitang interesting. So, yes, we are just gonna walk around, explore more. Why? Ay, mga lumilipad na ibon. Ay, mahal ng Diyos, di kumukupas ang mga ibon. Nasaan na yun? Wala na. Sobrang nice ng old town nila. As in, hindi enough yung video and pictures to explain it. Oh, yeah. So pretty. Wait. I'm gonna take this view. Masyado akong maliit for this view. Nagsarado na yung mga souvenir shops. Tapos parang sarado sila bukas kasi baka dahil sa holiday pa rin, Monday bukas. So ngayon hindi natin alam kung makakabili tayong mga souvenirs. Yung pagod ko na there's country. Yung pagod ko pang isang linggo. Good luck sa pagbalik sa office nito sa Tuesday. They're open. No, it's Sunday. They're still open. They're open until 8. Let's go. Souvenir shop. May bukas pa. Souvenirs. Which one do you want? This is nice. So, yung postcard. Ang gaganda, mga photos. €1 lang sila. So, bibili ako ng siguro mga 5 kasi mga pen pal tayo sa ating art Instagram. So, I'm going to send this to them. Now I got the souvenirs.